Imagine a spacecraft that never runs out of fuel, not because it carries more, but because it doesn't need any. No burning propellant, no empty tanks, no limits defined by how much mass you can afford to throw away. For generations, humanity has moved through space, using the same basic trick: push something backward to go forward. It works, but it's also like climbing a mountain by tossing pieces of your backpack downhill. You get higher, but you get lighter in all the wrong ways. Every deep space mission today is shaped by sacrifice: mass sacrificed for thrust, payload sacrificed for range, time sacrificed for efficiency. But what if movement didn't require sacrifice at all? What if propulsion could be generated through electromagnetic interaction, controlled, continuous, and self-contained? A spacecraft that doesn't burn, doesn't eject, doesn't consume, just moves. And here's something beautifully humbling. The design principles behind electromagnetic propulsion may be so straightforward that future students will look at them and laugh in disbelief. They'll study the mechanism and say, "Seriously? That simple?" And then they'll ask the uncomfortable question: how did people live next to this idea for decades and never recognize it? Progress often hides in plain sight. Humanity doesn't miss breakthroughs because they are complex. We miss them because they look too simple to be revolutionary. But simplicity is power. When propulsion no longer depends on mass, space stops being distant. Exploration stops being temporary. Movement stops being expensive. Space becomes accessible, sustainable, alive. Continuous orbital transport, permanent deep space research, exploration without countdown clocks tied to fuel reserves. This is not science fiction. It is a new engineering paradigm waiting to fully emerge. NEILA Technology Research Center is actively exploring propulsion architectures designed to operate without expelling matter systems that could redefine how humanity moves on Earth and beyond Earth. And history shows something very clearly. Those who recognize infrastructure revolutions early shape the future that everyone else later depends on. If you're a strategic investor, you understand the scale of that opportunity, and you know what to do. If you believe humanity deserves technologies that expand possibility rather than limit it, like and share this video, because the future doesn't arrive quietly. It spreads through people who are willing to notice it first. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the cutting-edge technologies that are truly transforming our civilization.